Hi there, boys and girls. In this video we're going to be working on a pop art design similar to the work of Roy Lichtenstein, and in this we're going to be using bubble letters or block letters like you see my name here, Siler. So you need to decide on a word. That could be your name, it could be a word that describes you, it could be words that are called onomatopoeia, which you see a lot in comic books like bang, pop, boom, or sound words like bow wow, meow, things like that. I'm going to use a word to describe myself instead, so I try to be kind. So we're going to be using block letters, but I'm going to assume that some of you don't know how to do block letters yet, so we're going to go over that. But also I have a whole video you can watch about how to do block letters. But the way I'm going to show you now is in that video, which is doing lines twice. So here's how that works. So I'm going to copy my lines. So that down line, going to go down again. This diagonal, I'm going diagonal again. This diagonal, I'm going diagonal again. And I'm connecting them on the ends. And then I'll just erase the spaces in between. But I'm going to color over those, so it doesn't matter much anyway if they show up. I'm going to copy my I, so give it a friend. Copy it on the end. Connect them on the end. And you can connect them any way you want. And for a dot, I'm going to turn it into a circle. So each time, we're just trying to copy the line we drew the first time. So like here, copying that curve and copying that subtle curve. And then but I'm going to do one of those little sharp points down here too for fun. So you can make your ends different. Once you do your words, if you want to get even fancier, you can do what are called 3D letters, and I'll show you quickly how to do that with this one. And what I'm doing here is diagonal lines out and then down. So diagonal, diagonal, and then I connect those lines. You don't have to do that, but you can if you want to. But I'm just going to show you that with that one, and then I'll have the finished I'll show the finished result in the video that you see with all of them done. So, but after we draw our word, then what we're going to do is we need to decide on a shape to go around it. Like I started off with kind of a cloud shape around it. What shape you decide to do is totally up to you. But this style of art, pop art and comic book art, usually have shapes that go around words. So I decided on kind of a zigzaggy kind of shape. And then they usually have a secondary shape around them. It can be a similar one. So I'm going to do some lightning bolts. But that's just to give you a little bit more visual interest, something else to look at to kind of go around it. Once you've drawn those, then you're going to start adding color to it. And with color, one of the things that that this style of art is big on is having patterns in there. So like this pattern that I've added here are a pattern of blue dots and then also yellow vertical stripes going through all of those blue dots, or with these little pointed shapes. I'm alternating between orange and purple. So try to use patterns to add some detail to your work. I hope that helps. I hope you have fun. Good luck with your pop art, and I would love to see it. Send me a picture in Google Form or email me if you'd like. It will be great to see your work. Good luck, artists. Have a great day.